Hi, making bobbles on our Rustic Vibes Shawlette. Here's a finished one, looking beautiful, and you can see there the contrast colour is my bobble row, and then we do a plain row, and then the cast off, which is the Channel Island cast off. So we get this beautiful finish on our Shawlette, which just makes it extra special. So let me show you how to make the bubbles. I have my little sample here, and I have my contrast yarn, which is the blue colour in this case of the dew. So I'm just going to start knitting with the blue. Just hold the two tails underneath there and away we go. So for our bobble row we knit 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and every 6th stitch we make a bobble. So to do that, let's clean this up a bit. We knit front back, knit into the front, knit into the back, once, again, twice, knit into the front, knit into the back, and then knit into the front once more. So what we've done there is increase 4 stitches, so we now have 5 that we're working with for our bobble. Turn to the wrong side. So on the purl side, purl position, we're going to purl 2 together. So purl those 2 together, and then purl 1 and purl 2 together again. So that takes us back to 3 stitches. Right, 1, 2, 3. Turn back to the right side of our work, and the last step of making the bobble is to slip those first 2 stitches, knit the next one, pass those 2 slip stitches over the first stitch and drop them, and then just tighten that all up, and there's our first little bobble. So we do that again. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a bobble, knit front back, oops, make sure you get the needle in the stitch, knit front back, knit front, so we've increased 4 stitches, so we have 5 ready there for our bobble. Turn to the wrong side, purl 2 together, purl 1, purl 2 together, turn to the right side, the last step in our bobble, slip those 2, knit the next one, pass the 2 slip stitches over the front and off, tighten that all up. There's our second little bobble. Shall we do that one more time? Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a bobble, knit front back, knit front back into the same stitch, knit 1 into that same stitch, so we have increased by 4 and we now have 5 for our bobble. Turn over to the wrong side, purl 2 together, Can be a little bit tricky picking up those two to purl together. Just take your time. Purl one. Purl two together. So we're now down to 3 stitches for our bobble. Turn back to the right side. Slip 2. Knit 1. Pass the 2 slip stitches over the front one. Tighten that all up and we have 3 bobbles all ready to go. So following our pattern, we repeat that across the row, and then the next row is on the wrong side, which is just a plain knit row, and after that I'll come back and show you how to do the Channel Island cast off.